Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to change a file or folder icon on a Mac. Before we start, please click that subscribe button and help me out. So in this case I have two folders on my desktop. I have a YouTube folder and a folder 1 folder. So these are just test folders. I also have two test files. They're just text documents. There's nothing in them. So first, what we want to do is right click on that folder that you want to change the icon. Right click and then get info. And select this icon beside the file name. And we'll go to edit, copy. And now we have to open preview. Search for preview. And go to file. New from clipboard. Okay, we'll show you multiple folders. Just pick the first one. So from there, click on that folder and open the markup tool. Then go to tools, adjust color. So there's different options here. You can play around which colors you like. Usually just change the tint. Yeah, we'll pick that one. You can also put a text on it. You can't put too much. I usually just put 2 or 3 letters, because otherwise, since it's an icon, you can't really see much. So select it. Since it's a YouTube folder, we'll put YT. I'm gonna stretch this out and try out. I'm gonna open this text. Let's try 24. So let's put it up. 50, increase. Oh, let's still make it bigger. 100. It's still small. 200. Let's try 400. I think let's try 500. There you go. That looks good. That stands out. So now what we want to do is we want to select the whole document by going to edit and select all. And then let's go edit, copy. Okay, let's go back to our file, select this folder, and then edit, paste. And there you go. So you can see from the desktop that then the folder icon has changed. Now it's much more visible that I know it's a YouTube folder. So let's try it again, but this time let's find an icon on the web and then change our folder into that icon. So let's open up Google. Let's search for a folder icon. So from image, let's pick this one. Okay, let's drag that to our desktop. Let's close this browser since we don't need it. Let's open the file so you can see the image. Now let's go to edit, select all, edit, copy. Let's go to the folder that you want to change. Right click on the folder, get info. You can also do Command I, it's a shortcut. Now select that icon beside the folder name and then edit, paste. As you can see from the desktop, it has now changed. Now you can also do this for your file names. So if you have important files that you like to stand out, you can also change it. So same thing. Same procedure. So let's look for a file on the internet. It's a important document. Alright, let's pick one of them. Okay, let's pick this one. Alright, let's drag that to the desktop. Let's close this browser. Open this file. Same thing, edit, select all, and then edit, copy. select the file, Command I to get the info, select that folder icon, edit, and paste. And now it has changed. You can't really see it. The icon that we picked wasn't that great. It's transparent. Another thing I want to show you is you can also create a shortcut for a specific website. So in this case, there's one here on my desktop that I created already. So let me show you how it's done. Let's say you always want to have a shortcut for Gmail. I know you can go to a bookmark and use that as a bookmark, but this one's a little bit different. So let's go to gmail.com and let's click sign in. So this whole website here, you can copy it, put a shortcut on your desktop. So what I do is I click the secure word and then click it and drag to your desktop. Depending on how long the website name is, it might take a while. So in that case, it took about a couple of seconds there. Let me just delete this folder here. Okay, so right now it says Gmail, but it has a weird icon. So let's change that. First, let's open it. So once I double click it, it goes to Gmail. Let's open up Yahoo, double click it. It functioned the way it should. But now let's change the icon. Let's close this. Let's look for a Gmail icon so it's more visible and it stands out. Let's pick this one. Let's drag that to our desktop. Let's close this browser and let's open that file. Edit, select all. Edit, copy. Get info on the file that we want to change. Select the icon, then edit, paste. And there you go. So now it's a shortcut. Let me delete this. Now once I click this, it should open Gmail. And what I like to do is I like to put it on the dock. Whatever your default browser is, it will open your default browser. So if you have Safari open, so in this case Chrome is my default browser, and you click on your shortcut, it will open Chrome. This also works if you have multiple tabs. Same thing, once you click on that shortcut, it will open another tab. Alright, well, thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope this helped you. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe.